So in this video, we're going to go ahead and chat a little bit about Strong and a couple of updates that have happened within the last couple of days. Now, of course, we're all aware about what's going on with Strong and how the price has recently gone down. Lots of things have gone on around the world, and this has impacted the markets. But despite the price action, I have still decided to buy and create more Strong nodes. Nothing I say in this video is financial advice, so please make sure to go ahead and do your own research before making any decisions. I'm sure you've heard that a million times, but I just wanted to say that as a reminder. But before we jump into this video, make sure to smash the like button if you have Strong nodes, if you're interested in Strong, or if you love passive income in general. And let's get into it. So I might have a different view from what others are currently thinking, and I'm going to share those thoughts right now in this video. And I think there are some really important things that we need to go over, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So 12 days ago now, the StrongBlock team released the light paper along with the 2022 roadmap, where they announced a number of things, including the release of the new token Stronger, which should be happening very soon, amongst other things such as the new node migration feature, the node marketplace, and what I think might be the biggest thing in this roadmap is the StrongChain launch. So they did note all these things here in their roadmap, and they went into more detail within the light paper itself. So yesterday on March 11th, StrongBlock transferred 25,000 tokens of Strong into the community wallet. Now, this is the second of 4 transfers into the wallet to help with sustainability during the transfer into StrongChain. And they tweeted about it saying, "Staying true to our promise, we've completed the second of our 425,000 Strong transactions from the Strong Team wallet to the community wallet. Our faith in the community never wavers and we're full steam ahead on planning the future with Stronger. Conversion news soon." So despite what's currently going on with the price action and with people's concern within the community, it looks like StrongBlock team is still working full-time to make things happen. And they're saying that they should be announcing the launch over to the new Stronger token pretty soon. So as a community, that is something that we can look forward to. And this tweet alone kind of shows how seriously the StrongBlock team is taking their business. They are treating this as a business, and even though we all don't know what's going on behind closed doors, they are saying that they are full steam ahead on planning. So that is one thing I love about the team. And if you scroll a little bit down to the comments, you can see right here that they've commented a link to the transaction hash just to confirm that they are actually doing what they're saying. So right here, you can see the completed transaction. They transferred 25,000 Strong, which is equivalent to $3.7 million into the community pool. And they are doing this to help with sustainability within this transition period. Now, yesterday around 8:18 p.m., which is March 11th, someone asked the StrongBlock marketing team whether we're going to see a listing of the tokens on Binance. And it looks like we're going to have a listing on a major exchange pretty soon, because Saul from the StrongBlock marketing team answered with this: "We can't talk about things like this, but check this from an AMA." So someone asked, "When Binance listing?" And David answered with, "You know we can't talk about exchanges here, and especially we cannot talk about whether or not we just sent a draft of our 2022 roadmap to one of them. We just can't talk about that stuff." So this is kind of giving us a clue that the soon coming launch of Stronger is probably going to be on a major exchange. Now we can only speculate about this, but it's pretty probable. And things like this are the reason why I'm not focusing completely on the price, because I think it's really important to keep in mind the future. And seeing the team say things like this is kind of giving us a clue to the scale of the launch with Stronger. Now, I don't know how this launch is going to affect the original token Strong, but people have mentioned that this could cause the token to become more scarce, and in that case, more valuable. Now, again, this is just speculation, but also very possible. Now, if we go back over to the roadmap that was released 12 days ago, we see right here that around Q4, the new chain called StrongChain is going to be launched. This could attract developers to want to run projects on the blockchain. And the team has actually mentioned that they've been approached by a number of companies interested in running their protocols on StrongChain. So this is a little clip that is from the last AMA on February 19th. And I just wanted to play it for you so we can have a little listen.
So we're moving on here. Our next question from Strong Kaneki. StrongChain being a large focus for revenue for the Strong community, what other projects are interested in joining, knowing that we currently have over 300K nodes for stability?
That's a great question. Thank you. Well, we're looking at a number of different things. We're talking with different people that have approached us, and we had people approach us way back when we were doing blockchain as a service, and that was kind of something that just, interestingly enough, didn't really take off. And now it seems pretty obvious that people would need lots of different blockchains for doing different things. But the revenue, talking with the other projects, they want us to participate with nodes, they want us to participate with validators. For them, we want them to, we want apps on our site. We want apps to be built, dApps to be built on top of the StrongChain. We're looking at NFTs. We're going to start off by building some of the things that we think need to be there. There are a number of different things. At one point, way back when we first started all this stuff, we built a DEX. We built all these other different kinds of things.
So it does look like the StrongBlock team has been approached by a number of companies interested in running their project on StrongChain. This is going to be a pretty major milestone to hit. Now, we don't currently know any timelines, but we do know that StrongChain will be released in around Q4 of this year, 2022. Now, again, I want to emphasize that creating a blockchain could be really revolutionary because we could see a market cap of possibly around $1 billion or over. Now, when companies run on StrongChain, all the fees will be in the new token Stronger. This will go back to the community. And this is another reason why I'm not 100% focusing on the price. And I do believe that these low prices are only temporary. And these things do come with the territory of crypto and things like that, as I'm sure we're all aware. Now, I believe that the team is very capable of turning this into something really big. You probably already know this, but David Moss right here, he's the CEO of StrongBlock, and he was also the founder of a really successful company called Block One. Now, you can see all the other members of the team right here. Now, David Moss was previously the vice president and head of development for Block One. Now, these are the creators of EOS, which is an open source blockchain platform. Now, if we go over to CoinGecko, we can see EOS right here. So it was launched about 4 years ago, and it is ranked as one of the bigger coins with a market cap of 1.95 billion. So the StrongBlock team is definitely not void of experience. So right now we're currently at 389,198 nodes. So it does look like, because we are in a great transition period, a number of people are a bit unsure about the protocol. So we are seeing a lot of people currently cashing out. But here's a tweet from NFT Ignition, and I believe that this is really important because this could be something that we are seeing right now. So she says, I made 5 more strong nodes today. I remember buying right before the last halving when everyone was panicking, and it being the best decision I ever made. So it does look like when we are in a period of transition, there is a little bit of uncertainty and people being unsure of what's going to happen in the future. So people start panicking and then we see prices go down. But I believe that StrongBlock is going to be here in the long run, and all the fundamentals have not changed. Everything that we're seeing here on the roadmap will be rolled out, and I believe that this is for the better. Another thing that I wanted to mention is we actually have seen a price drop similar to this one in the past with StrongBlock. And this happened when the DVPN nodes were first introduced and people were kind of scared about it. So this caused the price to drop. But soon after, we did see a rally and the price did go up. I just believe that we are in a period of transition and people are uncertain about the future of Strong, but again, the fundamentals have not changed. Now, don't take this as financial advice, but great things usually happen when people take advantage of bear markets or when things are not looking too great. And yesterday, David Moss tweeted, no matter what is happening in the world, community growth and node creation continues to exceed our expectations. I'm so proud we're moving to the future of StrongBlock IO together. No sleep till stronger. Announcement and AMA really soon. So they will be announcing when their next AMA is going to be, and we can look forward to that as a community. So I hope this video addressed some of the questions that you might have. If you do have any comments, you can leave them down in the comments below, because I really want to know what you guys' thoughts are. Are you currently buying more nodes? Are you just waiting? Or any other thoughts that you might have? So again, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash the like button. and hit the subscribe button as well, and turn on the post notifications so that whenever I release a new video, YouTube notifies you that I've released a new video. And another thing is I created a Twitter account, so if you have any questions about crypto, passive income, or anything like that, you can go ahead and message me on Twitter, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible because I'm always on here. If you enjoyed this update, you might enjoy the video that's on the screen right now.